Hi there, Dave here with a video about how to close things up at the end of the year. So I'm going to go ahead and log into Oceanside Open, and we're going to go over to make sure our users are gone. So we'll take a real quick look. This is covered in another video a little bit, but down here there's the users. So let's go make sure that all the users have gone except 3. That should be Mark and me and admin, and that's what's there right now. Everything's cool. Now we need to go to WooCommerce and make sure that all the orders are gone. So we'll go over there and we'll take a look at all the orders, and they're all gone. Now if they weren't, you'd have a select all and you'd be able to either delete them or put them in the trash. And I've put them in the trash so we can still get to this data. No problem at all. But we don't want to have that impacting our current situation. So this is last year's stuff. So everything's fine. Now sometimes when WooCommerce cleans things up at the end of the year, it doesn't do everything perfectly. So you have to make sure that the actual database is clean. And so to do that, if you go over to, and this is what you have to do if there's still pilots left after you've cleaned up the orders. You come over here, you make sure that there's nothing inside of these 2 tables. They're both in the WooCommerce section, and they're the order item meta and the orders. And make sure that there's nothing in there anymore, because the orders order items is what the pilot data is created from, and for one reason or another it doesn't always clean it up. So if you're going to clean this up, if you had to by hand, you notice that when you select the table, it gives you, this is an SQL statement, structured query language statement, which says select all of the records in this table and display them. And so if I do this, it will show me that I have none. And there we go, and now it should run, and there it is, and it says it doesn't have any, so no record is found. So if I had some and I wanted to get rid of some, I could get rid of them by saying delete. And now it says delete all of the records in that table, which is something that should not be taken lightly, but there's none in there. And so it will come back and tell me that it was done successfully. It deleted all of the records that were there, which is none. There it is. It says it was successful. It did not give you a list of all of them. This is not that kind of tool. It's a raw tool for fixing mistakes if stuff is left laying around. Okay. That shouldn't have to be. So all you should have to do is to get rid of all of the orders. The orders. And make sure that the users are all gone. And everything should be fine. If not, you may have to come out and use this tool to fix any abnormalities. Take care.